Hi, this is Alex from Polyethylene. Thanks to your feedback, we now offer more chemically resistant polyethylene tubes on our coating machine. Best of all, this is a free upgrade. Let me show you how to install them. Removing the tubes is easy. Just loosen the thumb screw and pull straight up. The best way to remove the PVC tubing without damage to the barb is to just pull it straight off. I'm going to use a heat gun to warm the end of the tube. The idea is to soften the material without deforming it. And you can always check as you go. That needs a little more heat. There we go. Perfect. To install your polyethylene tubes, just place the funnel in the funnel holder and secure the bottom of the tube into the tube clamp. Tighten the thumb screw and you're done. Thanks for watching. To request your tubes or to just leave us feedback, please contact us at polyethylenetools.com.